All right, sure. It is mating season in southwest Louisiana, and the Coonasses. They have developed a spectacular adaptation over the ages. These Coonass males of Church Point are adorned in elaborate costume to attract mates. The male Coonasses then pursue chickens in a drunken chicken chase. Only male Coonasses who capture the chickens go onto the parade, where they will put their plumage on display for the female Coonasses. The other male Coonasses, dejected, have one chance left this mating season. Comme ça, these male Coonasses must engage in territorial battles over catching spouts at the Mardi Gras parade. These territorial battles can often be brutal affairs, with injuries more severe than your routine fight in the parking lot of Cowboys. Male Coonasses are known to lose teeth, employment, and girlfriends in these battles. Moi je connais pas. I just don't know. Me. May, what kind of Corleone goes and fights with the papa? The winner of these territorial battles can be seen sporting a wreath of ornamental Mardi Gras beads. On behalf of Planet Radio and Cajun Nerd Media, this is Sir David Allen-Boudreaux,